YouTubers and all Disney Pixar fans, and welcome to another Cars 3 Diecast presentation. Today I will review Rick Yardley from Disney Pixar's Cars. He is made by Mattel, made in China, and he's available right now at any toy store. The back of the package shows the other releases like Sterling, Smokey, and Cal Weber. Here is the biography on the back, so if you want to read it, go ahead and pause for a moment. For now, let's take Rick out of the box and take a look at this new diecast. This is a 1:55 scale diecast made original by Mattel. He is number 24 and he races for Team Beetling. Team Beetling for older active cars. As you can see, he's got the Lightyear tires and the Piston Cup logo and some other sponsors. And you can see the word or his name, inscription, Rick Yardley. And he replaces the other Beetling race car, James Clean Air, which I do not have.